Hello everyone, my name is Daniela Yeus. I'm a nutrition student at the University of Texas at Austin. In our food science lab, my partner and I have been working towards transforming a basic black bean patty into a vegan gluten-free patty by incorporating our knowledge of the functional properties of food. We have chosen to cater to vegans and all those who follow a gluten-free diet. Veganism involves the elimination of all animal products, while a gluten-free diet consists of the exclusion of gluten from the diet. Gluten is a protein component found in wheat, barley, and rice. So how did we turn a simple black bean recipe into a vegan gluten-free patty? Let me show you. First, we kept the black beans to serve as a base for the patty mixture. Beans are mainly composed of protein and starch. The saponins found inside the legume cells are salt-like compounds that have a water-soluble end and a fat-soluble end. Thus, beans act as emulsifiers and foam stabilizers. In order to remove the gluten from the control recipe, we replace the flour and breadcrumbs with flaxseed meal and quinoa. The proteins found in flaxseed create the protein starch network and bind the patty as a whole. Flaxseed meal is ground flaxseed with flour-like consistency that was easily integrated into our patty mixture without the gluten in regular flour. Quinoa is a pseudo-cereal nutritionally adequate alternative to gluten-containing grains. It has high water-holding capacity, solubility, and gelation. Therefore, it was a suitable addition to the flaxseed. Additionally, we reduced the amount of onions, added corn, and sauteed them in extra virgin olive oil along with a variety of seasonings. Sauteing results in the breakdown of starch and caramelization of sugar. Caramelization is a non-enzymatic browning reaction in which water is lost as steam, volatile compounds are released, and sugar is broken down, producing sweeter, more flavorful vegetables. Cumin, garlic powder, and smoked paprika were used to impart pungency and palatable flavors to our patty mixture. We then roasted red bell peppers and kale with canola oil. Heat softens the fibrous networks, increases cell wall permeability, reduces turgor, and increases water loss. Roasting enhances natural sweetness by reducing bitter flavors. We then added ground red beets, which contain betanin, to give the patties a red meat-like color. Finally, we formed the patties and baked them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking the mixture reduced the moisture content and condensed the patties into a finished product. The finished patty was evaluated on several sensory characteristics by a group of participants. Furthermore, we measured the moisture content, height, and color of the patties every week.